Problem number 45 from page 311 on that same homework set for Q3 day 27 is a bit different than what we've dealt with. It's not too difficult. I've had some students in my classes get this right, do it correctly, and they were able to figure this problem out on their own. But I decided to make this video just in case you're trying it this weekend and it's just not working. So one thing that I want you to notice is this is from page 311. So this is 6.4. 6.4 was obviously before chapter 8, chapter 7. So this is the fundamental theorem of calculus. And I bring this up because you should not be trying to find an upper limit, an upper function minus a lower function. You should not be doing that because this is not trying to get you to figure out the area between two curves. This is simply using the fundamental theorem of calculus to find area. This is back when we made a relation between integrating and the area underneath a curve. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and break this into two parts. So the region can be broken into two sections. Okay? That area and that area. And by the way, the two functions are y equals x squared and y equals 2 minus x. So once we break it down to those two parts there, the area is broken down into those two parts, what you are going to now do is integrate, and to find the area of the yellow, you are going to integrate from 0 to 1, and it's just x squared dx. So this is for area that's in yellow. For the area that's in pink, we have the integral. The pink doesn't start from x equals 0. The pink starts from x equals 1 all the way to 2, and it's for the function 2 minus x dx. Okay? And so hopefully you are kind of seeing what I'm going to do. You're kind of thinking ahead. And if we add those two together, we'll get the area of the entire thing. So in other words, the area for the entire thing is equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared dx plus the integral from 1 to 2 of 2 minus x dx. Okay, you might want to pause the video and try to integrate this on your own. Okay, but if you're having trouble with this, just follow along. You should eventually kind of be able to do this real quick. So we're going to integrate this x cubed over 3 from 0 to 1 plus, now this is 2x minus x squared over 2 from 1 1 to 2. Area is now pretty much 1/3 minus 0 plus 4 minus 2 is actually kind of like that, minus 2 minus, and that's going to be 1/2. Okay, so this one is this part right here. So we plugged in 2 first, and then 1. So we have 1/3. That's just 0. This right here we have plus 4. Okay, that's this 4 right here. And then this is going to be 4. 4 over 2 is just minus 2. Right here I have to distribute, so it's going to be minus 2. And this is going to be plus, when I distribute this, it's going to be plus 1/2. So this is gone. And all we do is we have 1/3 plus 1/2. We need to multiply by 2 top and bottom, multiply by 3 top and bottom, so that we can get common denominators and get 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6, which is 5 over 6. Okay, and that's how you get that answer. And the key was to break your area into 2 parts. So integrating from 0 to 1, and you would have to use the function x squared, and then integrating from 1 to 2, you would have to use the function 2 minus x, and to get the area for the entire thing, you are going to add them together. Okay? And that is it for this video. Hopefully that helps.